Hey everyone, today I'm going to share a quick strategy that helped me make over $15,000 using the parabolic SZR and NSD on Pocket Action. These two indicators are correct together. They show trend change gives and confirm the best entry point. When the parabolic SZR flips above, it signals a trend shift, and with the MACD, we can confirm trend strength. This combo has been a game changer for me. Alright, let's dive in and get you set up to start making smarter trades. I'm over here making use of two indicators. The first indicator I'm using is called parabolic SZR. The second indicator I'm using is MACD. Alright, it's actually a default setting for the both indicators, so you don't need to change anything. The only thing I'm going to change is with my MACD, and it's meant to have the star part. So on my MACD line here, I'm going to choose this to be on 2 pixel. This is something applicable with the signal line. All right, so that's pretty much all you have to do here. So when you're done, you hit set. So the strategy is a 3-minute strategy. Do not forget that we are taking the trade for 3 minutes. And then the candle time frame I'm using is called Heineke Ashi candlestick. And of course, with a 1 minute time frame to help you understand. So that's pretty much the setup. All right, so this strategy works very powerful on OTC market. So I'll be trading this on OTC market. All right, so I'm going to analyze the market now and show you the perfect moment to actually play the trade and explain in details all you have to say. All right. Okay, guys, over here, I'm finding a good moment. So right now I'm going to enter this trade. Real quick before I start the explanation. All right. So anytime they're going for a down trade or a sell trade, the number one thing you need to confirm is always make sure that you get a signal with your parabolic SZR. It can be 1 signal, it can be 2 signal, it can be 3 dots, but make sure that it's not more than 5 dots. All right, so make sure that you get the signal right here. The second thing is to make sure that you're having a strong reversal, just like what is happening right here. You see that we have a very strong trend right from this particular position. You see that this is very strong uptrend, but right now we're having a reversal. So anytime you're taking a trade on a reverse position, make sure that the trend you're placing your trade on is actually breakthrough. All right, you see that this is a very powerful candlestick right here, and the last 4 candlestick has actually confirmed the reversal. So that's the number one thing. The second thing is with your MACD. The number one thing, make sure that the bottom line of your MACD intersect each other. The green and the red line is to meet each other, and in some scenario, the awesome is to be coming down in the trend before you enter a trade. Is either they actually just intersect or they intersect and the bottom line is coming down anyway, that you can actually enter a trade. But the most important thing is to make sure that you have it at the top of this signal bar here. Make sure that you have the bottom line. If I'm not going for a down trade, at the top of the signal bar, or if you're going for an up trade, make sure you have them at the bottom of the signal bar. I hope you understand. So guys, let's wait and see if this is going to be a good one. All right. We have like 41 seconds left. So let's wait and see if this is going to be a good one in the next few seconds. All right, guys, we have less than 3 seconds. A good one. As you can see right here, it is actually a very perfect trend. Always make sure that you're taking the trade earlier, or I do not enter the trade when there's a lot of candlestick already at the downtrend. So it means that anytime they're going for a trade, only make sure that you're having a maximum of 5 candlestick. Anything other than that, do not enter the trade because the reversal might happen. You know we are doing this on a long period of time. We always need to enter the trade earlier on and follow the trend. I hope you understand. A good one there. Let me check another moment. All right, over here I'm finding a good moment. So I'm going to enter a trade. Real quick before I explain. So this time around, anytime you're going for an up trade or you buy trade, the number one thing is to make sure that you have the signal with your parabolic SZR. Like I said, it can be from 1 to 5. All right, so just make sure that you have the signal with your parabolic SZR. The dot line must come up. And the second thing is to make sure that you're having a very strong downtrend and you're placing the trade on a reversal trend. All right, so don't play the trade when the trend is in the middle. Make sure that you have a very powerful downtrend. Anytime you're going for an up trade and you take the trade on the reverse position, or you're having a very powerful uptrend, anytime they're going for a down trade, and then you take the trade on a reverse position coming down. All right, so another thing is to make sure that the candlestick you're placing your trade on is very strong. Like I just said, make sure that the few candlestick that reverse is giving you a strong confirmation of a trend before you place a trade, and the candlestick you're placing the trade on must be very strong, or else it's very important. And the last thing is with your MSD. This time around, you used to have it below the signal bar right here on the both line must intersect each other, and it can also give you a confirmation of an option as well. So this is actually a perfect moment for an up trade. All right. So let's wait and see if this is going to be a good one. So right now we have like a minute, and I think we have a minute left right now. So let's wait and see if this is going to be a good one. All right, guys. So right now we have like 4 seconds left. A good one. So that if you're new to this video, the broker I'm using is called Pocket Option. The link is in the description. This is one of the best broker I recommend. I've been using this broker for over 3 years, and it was very amazing. So if you want to sign up, make sure that you use the link in the description to sign up for a free account. You also have a Domo account to try with, and then when you are ready, you can actually deposit. All right. And I also have a 50% discount promo code in the description. So make sure that you look that anytime you want to deposit. All right. So let's take one more trade. Okay, guys, over here I'm finding a good moment. I'm going to enter our trade. On this real quick, you can see I'm right here. This is actually very powerful candlestick. I'm right here. I actually have a signal of my parabolic SAR, the intersection of my MACD actually happened here. And this is actually a perfect condition of a down trade. All right, guys, so let's wait if this is going to be a good one. We have like 2 minutes left to close the trade. All right, guys, we have less than 2 seconds. Everyone, on the money on that. So guys, I'm going to stop on today's trade. I hope you actually understand how this works perfectly. It's a very simple strategy. The only thing you have to put in mind is make sure that you're following the trend. You're only taking the trade when you have a very powerful trend, and we actually jump in on the reversal position. So it's actually a reverse kind of strategy. So that's the reason why you need to do this on a very long period of time. All right. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I love you guys, and I'll see you